Hello there, I'm Canon Andy, the Canon Precentor here at Winchester Cathedral. It's been quite a day here on the National Day of Reflection at Winchester Cathedral, with the whole cathedral team pulling together to try and witness to the hope that we feel and know we have in Jesus Christ. That is the hope that set this whole building and cathedral life into motion, and it's the hope that we try and represent in this green cross that sits at my feet. At this time, we are trying, all of us, to go deep and find some connection with the Christian story that will speak to our nation at this very important and somber time. We reach back in inspiration for this cross 1,002 years ago to just behind the walls over there when Elfwin's prayer book was painted and written, and it's the first depiction and writing about a green cross that we are aware of. The green cross speaks of life springing out of apparent death. So the wood is dead, and yet, new life comes forth from it. Now is a time for such a hopeful message, and for all of us who look forward in the week to come to the events of Holy Week, it is one which we are invited to live into, to walk through, and to proclaim afresh with confidence in our nation.